কি করে লাভ জিহাদ হতে পারে? এটা আমি কি বললাম আপনাকে? আমাদের সম্পর্কটা আজকের নয়, 16 বছরের প্রায় সম্পর্ক। এটা কি করে লাভ জিহাদ হতে পারে? আমাকে দেখে আপনার কি মনে হচ্ছে আমি কি 18 বছরের নিচে? কি মানে আমার যা ধর্ম আমি সেটাই থাকবে, ওর যা ধর্ম তাই থাকবে, যেই জন্য আমরা স্পেশাল একটা চুজ করেছি।
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Violation of Indian Constitution. The petitioners are major, educated, they have decided to marry one another of different religion. Now some third agency comes in and goes on threatening, forces the family to sign certain documents.
Why cap of North Bengal?
Oh, Bengal, part of Bengal.
I thought you are state coming from Darjeeling.
No.
Yes.
Far
Yes,
from
yes, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Now, kindly sees how the interference goes on in personal life and personal affairs. Very unfortunate. These are the
Just a minute.
notice under Special Marriage Act for solemnization of marriage. Page 26.
Yes, what is the matter of?
You cannot marry on your own independent choice of a person of different religion. That's the intervention by the third quarter.
This problem is facing by the groom or bride.
My lord, both are different, lordship. No, what's going on?
Now, what police authority will do?
We have immediately complained to the police. This is the life threat.
They are going to solemnize their marriage by registration.
Yes, under the Special
When the
Marriage
date
Act.
is fixed.
29th. Proposed registration date is 29th of July 2026.
But I'm telling you,
Give some protection.
no, but I'm telling you, Lordship, no protection is as such required because adequate steps has been taken by the police. I'm telling you.
Citizens, senior
29
citizens of adult citizens of the country cannot marry according
Yes,
to
of
their
course. Of
will
course. But we have
and
to stand
decision.
on that way. But we have initiated proceedings 129 of the BNSS, but which says regarding peace and tranquility. Already the proceeding has been drawn up. This is number one. And so far as police protection is concerned, your Lordship knows in terms of the PRB, they need to file an application under section 669. So that
Court can direct. Yes, court can direct.
Your Lordship can always.
Sir, Mojumdar, read court can direct.
No doubt about it. But I am not.
It's in
questioning-
violation of constitutional right
Yes,
under
I am
Article
not-
21.
But I am not questioning.
People, citizens of this country have right to marry according to their own
Rather,
choice.
my lord, police stepped in. My lord, police.
Can you show me any legal bar? If
No. There is no legal
if
bar.
bride is Hindu and groom is
My lord, kindly
Muslim.
see my report, para 4 and 5 once. Kindly see the role of the police. Adequate steps has been taken.
Paragraph 4.
4 and 5. And this has not been done by the outsiders. My lord, interfamily. My lord, they
No,
are
no,
clashing
no,
with
no,
each
no,
other.
no.
Please
Mr.
see the
No,
report.
why interfamily? There will be
No, they are fighting. We have stopped it.
No, there will be resistance. Why interfamily? There will be resistance.
Yes, that is the reason we have stopped it.
Yes.
So that they cannot do so. My lord, kindly see the report.
নিজেই তো অর্ডার চেয়েছে নিজেই তো বলছি এসে অর্ডার
No, no. Stand of the police. You are blaming police.
No,
So
I
this
did
is
not
the
blame
stand.
police.
Yes, already police has decided give a copy to
I have
the
already
party-
given.
Last paragraph, last but one paragraph, penultimate paragraph.
Look, this is more serious. May I read out? Later on 26th of July 20.
No, after that.
This is to be mentioned that the petitioners, two adults and exercise of free will, they had chosen to marry and interfaith marriage between them, so and so. Police authority has no scope to intervene into the matter directly without any order of direction from the honorable court. However, adequate police.
No, before that, this is to be mentioned that.
Yes, he says the position of law. Then
No,
he says.
it says that that however adequate police protection has been ensured to prevent any undue incident which may hamper the public peace and tranquility.
Yes.
And the life and liberty of the people as well as the family members of the petitioner.
But this,
And it is stated that two adults in exercise of their free will, they had chosen to marry.
that is the position that they cannot deny. But when they say the peace and tranquility of the locality, the others will come and create hallabula.
So, on 29 July, the marriage is scheduled.
Yes.
by way of registration.
Yes. That's
Now
notice.
they have to go to the registration office and marriage will be solemnized.
No, the
solemnized.
register will come to their place of determined by them. 29 July is a date fixed. Kindly come to page Milord.
My lord knows the
26.
topography of that area. It's
The
Ulopedia.
only thing
But
I
it's a mixed population, I'm telling you, lordship, the
Ah.
topography. So adequate steps has been taken by the police to prevent any kind of peace and tranquility. And that is the reason 100.
No, you have to also give protection to the to bride and groom, so that they can solemnize their marriage.
Now,
Maybe interfaith marriage, but there is no.
We are
there-
not saying
there-
so, but
But there is no legal bar, Mr. Mojumdar.
No, there is
How you, being the advocate general, you can oppose this.
no, I am not opposing.
Additional advocate.
Milord, I am saying, Milord, I am not opposing it at all.
Mr.
But
Majumdar will not.
Milord,
But kindly,
see my report.
kindly see page 29 who are creating trouble. Kindly see 29. And they will come and create chaos and they say maintain peace, don't marry.
And that is the reason 120
Ah.
proceeding. That is the reason adequate police protection will be there so that no breach of peace can take place. The scope of a 129 is very vast, my lord. It's a quasi-judicial proceeding.
These interfering the bodies should be taken proper care of, then everything will be peace.
Rather, my lord, if your lordship see page 5, my lord, we have asked them, you please lodge a complaint so that we can draw up the FIR. They refuse to do so. Kindly see para 5.
Complaint was lodged. You
No,
said-
that is not any cognizable offense.
Ah.
Straight 506, my lord. It's a non-cognizable offense.
The violation of constitutional rights is cognizable.
How the FIR can be registered? Lord, kindly see if somebody is
No, it's
taking-
not a question of registering FIR. Court
Yes.
is not considering this.
Lordship.
Two adult citizens of the
I
country,
am not standing on
of
the
our
way, my lord.
country have decided to marry.
Yes.
Maybe it is an interfaith marriage. But if there is resistance, then police has to be
That is
directed.
reason 129 has been invoked in the locality. It is not of the person concerned. 129 always of the locality.
না ঠিক আছে যশো অর্ডার দিচ্ছি রাজীবকে নেমন্তন্ন করে দাও রাজীবকে নেমন্তন্ন করতে
Matter is taken up for consideration in presence of the learned advocates representing the parties. Stop. Mr. Vikas Ranjan, next paragraph. Mr.
Mobile
Vikas
police
Ranjan,
and family.
learned senior advocate representing the petitioner submits that that the petitioners being adult citizens of adult citizens have decided to marry by registering their marriage on 29th July 2026. But it is, but it is an interfaith marriage. There is furor in the there is furor in the locality in the local as a result whereof both the petitioners are
কোর্স দেখো না হয়ে গেছে তুই
are apprehending that they will be restrained from solemnizing marriage, resulting which prompts them to approach this court with the present writ petition. Stop. Petitioners pray for direction upon the concerned police authorities to provide adequate protection which would permit them to marry. Stop. Next paragraph, Mr. Rajdeep Mojumdar, learned senior advocate representing Mr. Rajdeep Mojumdar, learned additional advocate general, represents state respondents and has filed a communication dated 26 July 2026 of Inspector in charge Ulubidia Police Station, Howrah, and same is taken on record. Stop. A copy of the communication dated 26 July 2026 is made over to the learned advocate representing the petition. Stop. Next paragraph, it is disclosed in the communication that certain steps have been taken by the concerned police authorities for maintaining peace and tranquility at the local, and non-cognizable report number 553/2026 dated /26 dated 24th July 2026 under section 126 BNSS has already been submitted to ensure peace and tranquility. Next paragraph. Petitioners have approached this court seeking protection which would permit them to marry, and this court does not find any hindrance, even if it is a case of interfaith marriage, since petitioners are adult citizens of this country and they have right to choose their life partner. Stop. Next paragraph. Therefore, steps taken by the concerned police authorities as it is as are disclosed in the communication dated 26 July 2026 are not adequate, since such communication reveals steps have been taken to maintain peace at the local, so that no untoward incident takes place. Stop. Considering the case made out on behalf of the petitioners, court finds it apt to direct the concerned police authorities to provide adequate protection to the petitioner on the day of their marriage, scheduled to be solemnized on 29 July 2026, so that they can complete the formalities of registration of marriage. Stop. Inspector in charge, Uluberia Police Station, being respondent number
29 July তুমি জানিয়ে দেবে কোথায়
8 is directed to provide protection to the petitioners who are going to marry on 29 July 2026, so that no untoward incident takes place and petitioners ought not face any difficulty. Stop. Inspector in charge, Uluberia Police Station, is directed to file a report by 7 days thereafter. Stop. List the matter under the same heading for further consideration on
খুব ভালো হয়েছে এটা।
10th August 2026.
এটা খুব ভালো হয়েছে।
Affidavit service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record.
No.
We will prevent them from marrying.
No, we are not preventing, my lord. We are
Yes,
not
Mr.
preventing.
Dr. Kampal.
My first statement was we are not against the marriage.
Matter
Stand
is
of
over.
the police authority.
Matter is over. Matter is over.